Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about business to consumer and business to business payments. Let's understand what is business to customer or business to consumer e-payment. Business to consumer payments are generally a one-time payment for a product or services. Usually, these B2C payments are made for smaller amount. Business to consumer e-commerce is relatively simple. The process goes like this. Products are displayed on a website. The customer enters the website to see the products. Consumer details are taken and payment is made on a secure checkout form with the customer's preferred payment type. Now let's see what is business to business payment. Business to business payments are the transactions that are processed between one merchant and the another. Usually, this is a kind of transaction which happens between a wholesaler and a manufacturer where a bulk purchases are being made. Similar to business to customer payments, B2B payments have additional processes in place that make them more complex. Compared to B2C, B2B payments have more complex procedures since it involves a large volume of transactions and huge amount is being transferred compared to that of business to consumers. Now let's see how a B2B payment process works. Following an order, the supplier generates an invoice request to the buyer. The invoice details then verified usually via phone or an email, and then invoice is either accepted or declined. On the declination, the process begins from the scratch wherein the order is made again and the process follows. Then the invoice is getting accepted, buyer writes and sends supplier a check. And the check then goes to the bank for cashing and processing. Then the sender will receive a money from this. Since we are talking about B2B payments and B2C payments, they are differentiated by means of certain characteristics. When it comes to complexity, B2B payments or the sales environment is pretty complex and multiple buyers are involved. Whereas in B2C, it is very less complex and strictly deals with the consumers. When it comes to sales cycle, ranges from 1 to 12 plus months, can take minutes or days. Usually the transaction will get complete within a day or in a minute's time. And deal sizes, larger deal sizes and fewer purchases, whereas in case of B2C, smaller sales in high quantities. Number of customers are more when it comes to B2C, but the amount of transactions are very less. And number of leads getting generated, fewer leads will get generated because the word of mouth or the goodwill of the company, all this plays a very lesser role when it deals with huge quantity of sale is being traded between two different businesses. But when it comes to B2C, a lot of leads get generated. Coming to marketing touchpoints, more stages involved before the purchase. The sender and the buyer has to go through n number of processes for completing a transaction. But when it comes to B2C, fewer touch points are needed. Thank you.